Hello, Konnichiwa. Welcome to the session of Understanding Foreign Culture with me, Vandana. So, let's begin our today's session. Our objective for today's session will be on the geographical facts, activities and places of interest, and unique features and architecture of a country which we are going to discuss in details. So let's begin our around the world trip with people and culture. So today we are going to discuss about Japan. Japan is a country located in Asia. It is an island country and it is also known as the Great Britain of the East. Japan is also known as the land of rising sun. There are four main islands in Japan. These are Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Honshu is the largest island of Japan. The climatic condition of Japan is temperate. This is a map of Japan. If you see the map of Japan, you can see that it is covered all over by waters. Towards the east, it has the Pacific Ocean, and towards the west, it has the Sea of Japan and the East China Sea. Towards the south is the Philippine Sea. Countries like China, North Korea and South Korea, Russia is quite near to the Japan mainland. Japan has many important cities. Tokyo is one of the examples of an important commercial city which is also the finance center. It is the capital of Japan. Sapporo is the largest island in Hokkaido. Osaka is an old commercial center of Japan. These three major cities have been playing a very important role in the commercial life of Japan. Japan has created an image in the world regarding their industries. It might be from automobile, electronics, metal manufacturing, or scientific research. Japan has always been number one in their products and services. The services industry of Japan contributes around 75% of GDP. Since Japan is covered all over by seas and ocean, therefore fishing industry has been a major point of Japan. Agricultural products has also played an important role in their economy. If we talk about the national costume of Japan, who doesn't know the kimono? The kimono is common for both men and women, but it has different varieties for different occasions. Kimono is a front wrap garment. Yukata, homonji, these are common type of kimono which are worn by the women of Japan. Even if we go to the men's kimono, there are different varieties for different occasions. Talk about the architecture marvel, Himeji Palace is one of them. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is also known as the White Heron Castle due to its elegant and white appearance. The Hiroshima Peace Memorial is also an important site in Japan because we all know about the World War atomic bombing. We all know the consequence of the atomic bombing, and the Peace Memorial site gives a homage to the people. While visiting Japan, no one likes to skip Mount Fuji and the hot springs of Japan, which is also called as onsen. There are many resorts and spas located near the onsens. One of the tourist attractions while visiting Japan. With this, we have completed about Japan. Next, we will be with another country. Till then, thank you.